Have you ever wondered in this vast universe how unique our planet Earth really is? As we stand on this tiny blue dot, it's easy to feel small, so minuscule in the grand scheme of things, but it's also equally fascinating. The universe, with its cosmic spectacle and celestial wonders, is an enigma waiting to be explored. The cosmos is like an infinite treasure chest filled with secrets that inspire awe and wonder. It's a place where gigantic stars dwarf our sun, where planets hold potential for life, and where the speed of light sets a cosmic speed limit. A place where there are galaxies beyond our own Milky Way, where the universe is constantly expanding, and where black holes, the universe's mysterious monsters, lurk in the depths of space. It's a place where time and space intertwine, hinting at the age of the universe and even the tantalizing possibility of a multiverse. As we journey together through the cosmos, we'll dive into these topics, unraveling the mysteries and marvels of the universe. We'll learn about the staggering scale of our sun, which could swallow up 1,000,000 Earths. We'll explore the groundbreaking discovery of water on Mars, a finding that could change our understanding of life in the universe. We'll delve into the mind-bending concept of the speed of light and its role as a cosmic speed limit. We'll venture beyond our own galaxy, discovering the abundance of other galaxies that make up the universe. We'll witness the universe's expansion, a phenomenon that challenges our perception of space. We'll peer into the abyss of black holes, understanding their role in the cosmic landscape. We'll ponder over the age of the universe and the clues that time gives us about our cosmic origins. And finally, we'll explore the multiverse theory, a concept that opens the door to infinite possibilities. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an unforgettable journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is thrilling. Because in the grand cosmic theater, every discovery is a step towards understanding our place in the universe. So, with that said, are you ready to embark on this cosmic journey? To kick things off, have you ever contemplated the sheer size of the sun? It's easy to take for granted, appearing as a small warm disk in the sky, but its true magnitude is beyond comprehension. The sun is so colossal, it defies our everyday understanding of size. To give you some perspective, consider this. The Earth is like a grain of sand in comparison. The sun is so enormous that you could fit 1,000,000 Earths inside it. That's right, 1,000,000. It's a figure so large it's almost impossible to visualize. Think about it this way. Picture the largest stadium you've ever seen, perhaps something like the Maracanã Stadium in Rio de Janeiro, which can hold nearly 200,000 spectators. Now imagine filling that stadium with grains of sand, each grain representing the Earth. You'd need 5,000 Maracanã stadiums, each filled to the brim, to represent the number of Earths that could fit inside the sun. And yet, in the grand scheme of the cosmos, our sun is considered an average-sized star. There are stars out there in the universe that are so gigantic, they make our sun look like a speck of dust. Some of these stars, like Canis Majoris or Ui Scuti, could swallow up our sun and still have room to spare. The sun's enormity is not just about its physical size, but also its influence. Its gravitational pull keeps our entire solar system in check, from the smallest asteroid to the largest gas giant. The sun's heat and light make life possible here on Earth and drive our planet's weather systems. So next time you're basking in the sun's warm rays or admiring a vibrant sunset, remember the colossal fiery ball of gas that's responsible. It's not just a glowing disk in the sky, but a mind-bogglingly massive star that's capable of holding 1,000,000 Earths within its fiery grasp. Imagine that, 1,000,000 Earths in our very own sun. Next up, we dive into the intriguing world of our neighboring planet, Mars. Mars, often called the Red Planet, has been the subject of fascination and scientific exploration for years. It's eerily similar to Earth in many ways, yet so different, painting a tantalizing picture of what could be out there in the universe. Recently, Mars has been in the cosmic spotlight for a discovery that has sent shockwaves throughout the scientific community. NASA has revealed its strongest evidence yet of intermittent running water on Mars. That's right, not just frozen water or ancient water paths, but actual flowing liquid water. This discovery is akin to finding a needle in a cosmic haystack, and it's a game changer for our understanding of the Red Planet. This isn't just a splashy headline, it's a revelation that could rewrite what we know about potential life beyond Earth. Water is a fundamental ingredient for life as we know it. So, if there's water on Mars, could there be life too? It's a tantalizing question that has scientists and space enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. The discovery of water on Mars also opens up thrilling possibilities for future space exploration. Astronauts could use this water source for drinking and growing food, making long-term missions to Mars more feasible. Additionally, water can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, providing fuel for rockets. This could potentially transform Mars into a refueling station for further exploration of the cosmos. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's still a lot to learn about this Martian water, like where it comes from and how it manages to exist on such a cold, thin-atmosphered planet. Scientists are on the case though, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of Mars. So, as we gaze up at the night sky and wonder about our place in the universe, remember this exciting revelation. Mars, a seemingly barren and inhospitable world, might not be as lifeless as we once thought. Who knows, we might just have neighbors on Mars after all. Now, let's take a look at something that's truly lightning fast: the speed of light. It's not just a speed, it's a fundamental constant of nature. The speed of light is precisely 186,282 miles per second. That's nearly 7.5 times around the Earth in a single second. Imagine how fast that is. But what's more exciting is that this speed is the cosmic speed limit. Nothing in the universe can travel faster. But why is it so? Well, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, as an object with mass speeds up, its energy increases, and so does its mass. So as you approach the speed of light, your mass would become infinite, requiring an infinite amount of energy to keep accelerating. This makes it impossible for anything with mass to reach or exceed the speed of light. Therefore, it's not just a speed, it's a boundary that nature has set for us. The speed of light plays a significant role in space travel and communication. For instance, the messages sent to our Mars rovers take about 20 minutes to reach there, even at the speed of light. That's because Mars is about 140 million miles away from Earth. So, if we ever want to send astronauts to Mars, we need to account for this light speed delay in our communication. And it's not just about Mars. When we look at distant galaxies, we're actually looking back in time. The light from a galaxy a billion light years away took a billion years to reach us. So we're seeing the galaxy as it was a billion years ago, not as it is today. This cosmic speed limit allows us to peer into the past and study the early universe. So remember, next time you flick on a light switch, you're harnessing the fastest thing in the universe. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how many stars there are out there? Well, fasten your cosmic seatbelts because the answer is going to leave you starstruck. It's estimated that there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Yes, you heard it right, 2 trillion. And each of these galaxies is teeming with stars just like our own Milky Way. Now let's take a moment to comprehend the scale of this. Imagine you're standing on a beach looking at the grains of sand beneath your feet. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on every beach on Earth. That's not just mind-boggling, it's star-boggling. And each of these stars could potentially have planets orbiting them, just as Earth orbits the Sun. Who knows what incredible worlds and alien landscapes are out there, waiting to be discovered? The sheer scale of the universe is enough to leave anyone feeling a little small. But don't let that make you feel insignificant. Because in the grand cosmic scheme of things, we're all made of stardust. Every atom in your body was once part of a star that exploded in a supernova, scattering its elements across the cosmos. So, in a way, we're all tiny pieces of the universe looking back at itself. And remember, all these mind-blowing facts are just about the observable universe. The actual universe could be infinitely larger, filled with galaxies and stars beyond our wildest imaginations. As our technology advances and our understanding of the cosmos deepens, who knows what other astonishing discoveries await us? So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, you're just seeing a tiny fraction of the universe. Moving on, did you know that the universe is constantly expanding? Yes, you heard that right. Far from being a stagnant entity, the universe is actually getting bigger with every passing second. Let's break it down a bit. Picture a loaf of raisin bread dough.